Researchers with Oregon State University have been studying snow drought. That's when precipitation falls in the form of rain instead of snow. What they have discovered is our warming climate is playing a big reason behind it. In a good winter, the snow piles up in our mountains across the Pacific Northwest, turning the snowpack in a reserve to maintain water. Water that helps with river flows during the spring and summer, but the faster it moves through an area, it can have negative impacts.
Any basin that relies on snowmelt with warmer temperatures, you are likely to see these changes.
Dr. Zach Butler, who's a postdoctoral student at Oregon State University, is behind the research. He says those changes could impact everything we depend on, from the water we drink to the fishing.
That can be harmful for our fish populations, for our agriculture. We'll have less water in our streams. This can also be more harmful for our forests, potentially lead to more wildfires.
They focused their research on the Natchez River Basin, a main tributary of the Yakima River in Washington.
In Oregon and Pacific Northwest rely on snow to melt slowly during the spring season so the reservoirs can slowly fill up.
He points to the winter we just had that brought plenty of rain, but not nearly as much snowfall.
This has happened across the western U.S. There was a 2014-2015 snow drought across Oregon that was similar to this year, but what we've seen this winter has happened in almost every western state.
Butler and his research team found the time between rain or snow falling on the ground and leaving as stream flow will be nearly 20% faster on average by the later part of this century. That means there could be less water in streams, rivers, lakes, and reservoirs in the summer.
This is more likely to happen in the future, and we're careful about those words that we use because every winter will be different.
Which is the time of year when we depend on higher water levels. For Environment Northwest, Joe Ranieri, KGW News.